Hi there, it's Aura here, and it's day 3 of my 30-day video recording challenge. Today, I wanted to talk about language learning. Um, I currently speak about 5 languages to varying levels of proficiency. What do I mean? So I speak English, French, Yoruba, Portuguese, and Spanish. I'm currently learning Korean. Why did I start learning Korean? Well, I thought it'd be cool. So I know a few languages on the Romance languages, I guess, or Western languages, and I thought it'd be really cool to learn a language from Asia. Um, I then thought which language would be the easiest to learn or easiest to pick up, and I meant of the script of the ones with different kinds of alphabet. Um, and when I did some research, I found that Korean was the easiest of the different like the different kinds of alphabet to learn. So I thought, let's learn Korean. And so I did. I've started learning bits and bobs. I started using um, Pimsla's Korean, although I have found it maybe is going a bit too fast for me. And I probably have to kind of replay the beginning chapters again just to kind of get myself to grips with it. I also started watching Korean dramas in order to help me with my Korean and just to have fun, enjoy it. It's something I started doing in this lockdown. And what else have I been doing? So I've been doing I've practiced and learned how to write the Korean alphabet. You can literally learn it in like 30 minutes, which is quite cool. So at least I can read out text, right? And it's not completely strange. I still don't know what I'm reading, but at least I can read it out, which is pretty cool, I think. Anyway, I quite enjoy that. I'm quite happy that I can actually read stuff out, even if I don't understand it. I mean, I've learned all sorts of stuff from watching Korean drama. One thing that has surprised me, though, is that in watching Korean drama, I've learned a lot more about the culture than I had necessarily anticipated. I didn't watch Korean dramas. I didn't set off watching Korean dramas intending to learn about the culture, but then that was a nice byproduct. Everything from how when you want to greet somebody else, you bend sort of from the waist, and if you're a lady, you put your hands in front of you as you bend. If you're a guy, you put your hands to your sides. There's a strong drinking culture in Korea as well. At least that's what I see from Korean dramas. There's a very strong sense of hierarchy in society in Korea, which is quite interesting. And there is 존댓말, which is, I think, like the formal way of speaking to people. If I got this wrong, don't shoot me. I'm still learning. But basically, it's a formal way of speaking, and it's all there are different rules. It's all to do with hierarchy, and I don't know if it's different rules, but it's all to do with hierarchy anyway. When you're giving someone something, when you're shaking hands as well, you tend to use 2 hands rather than 1, which is quite different to, I guess, culture in the West. So it's interesting. It's interesting. So I'm learning Korean. It's my new interest right now. My goal is to travel to Korea and live in Korea for 1 month. I don't know what I'm going to be doing whilst I'm out there, but I want to go to Korea, experience it, experience Seoul, experience other parts of Korea. But yeah, I think it'd be really cool. But anyway, this is day 3 of my 30-day video recording challenge. I wanted to give a shout out actually to Ali Abdaal. So I've been watching a few of his videos, and he did talk about creating a YouTube channel and just start. Just don't worry about having all the tools you need, or having I don't know, maybe a fancy camera or fancy microphone, fancy background. Don't need that. Just start with something. So this is me. I have started already, so I've already done a few videos. I've done a few videos here and there before, but now I'm taking it really serious, and I'm aiming to get, first of all, 30 videos from this 30-day video recording challenge, and then after that build up to even more videos. I find that the more I do it, the more I find ways of improving, the more comfortable I am in front of the camera. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty exciting, I think. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how things progress with all the videos I create, and yeah, we're gonna see how things go. But anyway, that is me. My name is Aura, and you're watching my 30-day video recording challenge. This is day 3. Take care. Bye.